Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I am at GFX Racing for race 4 of 5 of the fall 2025 season. I'm going to be going up in AAA with my MR04 LM Sauber Mercedes. Really, I've made no change to this over the last couple of race events. On a box stock T-plate, I have some little weight strips on the bottom. I'm on a purple, the compressor. I'm on a purple front spring, a top oil shock. The LM pod gives you the disc damper on the top, but I did change out this top shock to oil filled. I've had this same setup for many weeks. The car is very competitive, winnable on a small track. On this big track, this is 4 full-size kits of the RCP track, the large tiles. I cannot really compete. I'm starting in P4. And all of the other cars that have beat me are all the EVOs with brushless power. This has the XSpeed faster brushed motor, but really on a track this big, I'm at max pinion. I can't get any more speed out of the car. There's nothing you can really do. I am at max speed. They're all walking me on the straightaway, so I can only try and make it up in the corners, but this car also doesn't really handle that great either. So I'm just having fun in this class. We'll see. I don't think I'm going to invest in the EVO. I'm going to end up getting one of those other fancier rear-wheel drive higher end cars instead of another Mini-Z. But for now, continue watching this AAA race and we'll see how we do. Alright, here we go. AAA Touring A main. We'll be starting in, oh, they split it up. Oh, okay. Alright, AAA A main. I'll be starting in P4. We'll see if I can move up any, but I don't think I'm going to because I'm the only one who doesn't have an EVO. I believe I'm the only brushed car in this group. Maybe the bump up from the B is also a brushed motor, but I doubt it. Anyway, we'll see how we do in AAA. I think I forgot to mention, I am still on a box stock front tire. Now, the LM tires are a lot softer than your other cars out of the box. I've tried the other front tire. I kind of prefer the LM front tire on the RCP track. The rear tire, I do have an upgraded 20 degree LM rear tire. Yeah, no passing until we pass the finish line, maybe?
Hopefully.
Guys, ready?
Yep.
Spaghetti.
Okay, we're live at less than 5, maybe, AAA. Eyes are off. Speed on to the start, action in the fight. I think we're good though.
Oh, I spun.
Here's some crashing. Action penalty at the infield. Marshall Paul's in it rather. We got the battle we all wanted to see. Steve versus Dean. Let's see if Dean has something for him now.
Oh, for fuck.
Traction's coming out of the track right now. There's lots of traction going on. I'm not past the weather, I'll turn down the heat. Right now, John Kennedy is in first, followed by Ashton, Dean, and Ron.
How did you get in?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, John's not in first.
Who cares?
Computer thinks I am. It's good for me. But yeah, that's definitely an error. I thought
It's
it was
the
in.
same thing that happened to me in Brighton.
I thought I was in third.
I think the software
Don't worry, we can fix it at the end.
is
Whoa.
okay, it's sort of so Steve up front, already, John, Ashton, and Ron.
Yes, I am in third.
Currently, Steve is on the 26 lap.
I'm gonna be very careful on my corner so I don't spin out.
Ashton 21 and Ron 15. Up to Steve, 10-6. Next class is Dean Boudreau, 11-1. So Steve's about a half a second faster.
Ah. Here comes Ashton.
Yeah, from first to second, there's about 5.5 seconds, just under 5.5. Dean has it here, he's got a lot of work.
Fell on the fourth now. The white car did pass me for position. Ah.
2:45 left. Steve was running
less grip now than I had in the quals.
Gap from first and second is now over a lap. 12 seconds.
That's all right, go, go. You're lapping me, go.
Not left to beat.
Yeah, I need to do something to make this car more competitive here.
Rock stakes.
Oh, I gave it to you and you crashed it. Look how nice I am getting out of everyone's way.
Second spot. I think Steve is off the race for the goal, but he's through around like running that roll line for D63 body was white with yellow. I guess Ashton's got my team now. Oh, he gets it wrong in the paper. Coming out this one, just still top each other. 40 seconds left. Ashton's going to chase it down the back stretch. We'll see what happens here.
I seem to be losing my rear a lot. I think I've got to upgrade, change up my tires.
He gets it wrong. He writes himself. 20 seconds. One lap. Actually, when we pick up the speed, he finally has a brushless motor. This is my own car. He's able to keep up with you guys now.
Alright, gotta get it across the line.
Steve's going to take that one.
Started fourth, finished fourth.
Second. Dear life, Ashton in third. Letting them down.
Good rep, guys. Good rep.
Started fourth, finished fourth. We'll put in the stats. The white car, Ashton, with the, you know, he started behind me because he flipped off the track a bunch of times, and then once he got on it and stopped crashing, his pace completely obliterated mine. So those cars are very competitive on a small track at Hobby Hideaway, but here I just can't compete in the A main and have any chance at the podium unless someone really, really messes up. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.